Let's work the following applied problem. We'll use 3.1416 for pi. Jeanette is making a tablecloth to cover a circular table that has a diameter of 42 inches. She wishes the tablecloth to hang down 9 inches all around the table. This will make the diameter 60 inches. What's the area of the tablecloth in square inches, in square feet, and in square yards? To begin this problem, let's first draw a circular tablecloth so that we can find the area of it in square inches. Here we have a circle, and in our circle we know that it will have a diameter of 60 inches. A diameter of a circle is a line segment that connects two ends of a circle together that goes through the center of the circle. So we'll draw a diameter of the circle and label this diameter with 60 inches. Recall that the formula for the area of a circle is the formula A equals pi times the radius squared, where the radius will be two radiuses that would make the diameter. So if two radiuses make the diameter of 60 inches, then half of 60 would be 30, and so we'll use a radius of 30 inches in our problem. So to find the area of our circle, we'll use area equals pi. We're told to use 3.1416. So we'll use 3.1416 times the radius in this problem is 30 inches, so we'll write 30 squared. Let's use a TI-83 graphing calculator to compute this result. So using a TI-83 graphing calculator, we'll first calculate 30 squared. So we'll punch in 30, and the squared button is to our far left, squared. And we'll hit enter to find that 30 squared is 900. So the area is equal to 3.1416 times 900. Next we'll take 3.1416 times 900 to arrive at the answer that the area would be 2,827 roughly square inches. So now we have found the area of this tablecloth in square inches. Next, let's convert our area from square inches to square feet for our second answer. To find this, we need to recall how many square feet are related to square inches. We know that 12 inches is the same as 1 foot. So if we square 12 inches, 1 and foot, then 12 squared is equal to 144. Therefore, 144 square inches are in 1 squared is 1 times 1 or 1 square foot. Therefore, 144 square inches is in 1 square foot. To convert our area from square inches to square feet, we'll use this as a conversion. So we'll multiply 2,827 square inches multiplied by a fraction where the square inches will cancel. So we'll write 144 square inches in the denominator and 1 square foot in the numerator. We now see that the square inches will cancel and our result will be in square feet. So we'll take our number 2,827 and divide that by 144. Hitting enter, we now see that this would become our area, which we'll still write as A equals. Now it'll be 19.6 square feet. Next, let's convert this from square feet next to square yards. We know that 3 feet are in 1 yard, and again, squaring all of our quantities, 3 squared, feet squared, 1 squared, and yard squared, 3 squared is 9 square feet, is equal to 1 squared is 1 square yard. In other words, 9 square feet is 1 square yard. Again, we'll use this as a conversion factor by taking our area in square feet and multiplying it by a fraction, like we did before. So we'll take 19.6 square feet and multiply it by a fraction so that the square feet will cancel. So we'll write 9 square feet in the denominator and 1 square yard in the numerator. Again, the square feet will cancel, and our result will be in square yards. This means that we'll take 19.6 and divide that by 9. So 19.6 divided by 9 becomes roughly 2.177, which rounded would be roughly that our area will be 2.2 square yards. So, in summary, we've used the formula for the area of a circle and the thought that 2 radii or radiuses would become 60 inches, the radius would need to be 30 inches, to find the area of this circle to be 2,827 square inches. Using a conversion of 144 square inches is 1 square foot, we converted this area to 19.6 square feet. Using the fact that another conversion would be 9 square feet is 1 square yard, we converted this area to 2.2 square yards. So these are the 3 answers that we were interested in. That's our final answer.